Hey, what's up? We back, and we still know it all. We coming with the new GoPro 12 Black, the latest version. We're gonna do a little unboxing, show you what we got here. It's pretty cool. It's about $500 at Best Buy or any of your local electronic retail spots. If you notice, this is a special bundle. It comes with Enduro battery, a camera case, your little selfie stick, and a headband so that you can wear it. It also has this nifty little case. Everything's tucked away nice and neatly for you. Convenient. Look at that. Nice little setup, right? Got all your little contents, all the information you need on the GoPro. This is just a little sticker for you to promote and advertise that you're using GoPro. Nothing major. But let's dig on in and see what else we got here in your little pocket. So, what's this? This is your warranty information. Can't do anything with that. Then we have questions about your products. So you can flip through this if you want to, find out the kind of warranty, safety, and product information in multiple languages. Then you've got your information about your battery, gives you tips to get the best performance. Enduro batteries, a new style of battery or a special type of battery. We'll go into that later. And then you got directions on how to use your accessories. It's telling you how to put the headgear on. I don't think we need that. Then, of course, here is your subscription information and your QR code. You'll need that to activate and update your camera before you use it. Again, I guess this is the actual QR code for the quick update. And then it's got all sorts of information in 5 or 6, 7, 8 different languages. Good to know, right? All right, let's dig in. So we got the selfie stick here, and this is not just a typical selfie stick. If you look, it's got a unique orange tip on it. Not sure what that's supposed to be, but it's got a nice soft grip on there. So, I guess you get your money's worth. And then again, you're advertising GoPro. See? Nice, right? Nice little doohickey to tighten it around your wrist if you need to so you can't get mugged for it, or it makes it harder to get mugged for. Yep. Nice selfie stick. I guess that's what you'd call it. Is that the name for it? I guess that would be called the handler, is what they refer to that as. And set that aside. And here, under this little compartment, we have the USB and USB-C, so that you can connect your device to your iPad, your laptop, or to your desktop to transfer information. Typical, standard, nothing special, just the USB-C. Nice, right? Again, advertising of GoPro. They've labeled everything to make sure you don't lose it. Again, GoPro on both ends, on the USB-C end as well as the USB end. GoPro. All right. Then here you have your batteries. They are tied together neatly, or wrapped neatly in this neat little hard to open box of sorts. Oh, like I broke it. Broke the lip, but we'll just, there we go. We'll just take that out of there. And this is your Enduro battery. Pretty nice, huh? And they're actually lithium batteries. It's just that they have performance capabilities that a typical battery or lithium battery doesn't have, like exposure to weather and moisture. It's long lasting after the elements. Again, GoPro is neatly framed on the battery so that you don't forget what that is. Set that one here. And it comes with 2 batteries, it appears. This one again is neatly wrapped up in a box. We'll just get rid of that box. Toss it. We don't need it. Another battery. With this little thing sticking out the top. We won't pull it. I don't know what it is. I got to do more research on that. We'll just set that one here too. All right, so neatly. Now what do we have? We have this thing. And I believe this, you got your 3M tape on there. So I'll let you know it's going to stick to something. And I'm assuming this is going to be what we connect the camera to. And then we have another piece. This again is something we would connect the camera to. This would actually slide into the other piece that I just had. It'll lock in place for you to utilize your GoPro on your selfie stick. That's actually what it's for. It'll slide on top of the selfie stick or the handler. All right. And here you have your nifty, thrifty headgear. Pretty nice material, stretchy, top of the line. And there again, you have another doohickey to slide your GoPro on while you're wearing the headgear. Of course, it's adjustable, so if you got a big head, you can just loosen it up. It's got nice little rubber grips in there, so it won't slide around too easily. It'll just pull your hair out. Yeah, so there's your headband. And again, GoPro featured prominently on the back and sides. And if you notice, that looks just like this because it'll serve the same purpose. Yep. Now you have another little doohickey here, and this is a screw of sorts. And this is what you'll slide in to this piece and lock in place, rather. Yep. And you've actually got 2 screws to lock your doohickey in place. One is for the stick and one is for this, the headgear. Next, we have the most important piece to this puzzle. And that is your handy dandy GoPro camera. Pretty small, isn't it? Yep. And there's your nice lens and your screen for viewing. Or, I'm sorry, maybe that's not the screen for viewing. We'll find out what it is later. Look at that. Here's your power button. Nice little camera, right? So this has been the unboxing of the new GoPro Black 12 edition, so that you can see what all it comes with. It's actually a bundle edition. I think it's a good price for everything you get with it. But pretty nice, right? Put this thing back away, and soon I'll be coming back with more videos so you can see how it works.